Templates on TradingView are used to save repeated chart setups, so the same indicators, settings, or drawing styles can be applied again without rebuilding them manually. The most common example is an indicator template. This saves a group of indicators with their current settings. For example, a trader may use a moving average for trend direction, RSI for momentum, and volume for confirmation. Once those indicators are set up, the full combination can be saved as a template and applied to another chart. This is useful because the settings matter as much as the indicators. If the moving average length, RSI levels, colors, or display options have been adjusted, saving them as a template helps keep the analysis consistent across different symbols and timeframes. When an indicator template is applied, the chart updates with the indicators saved in that template. This is important to understand because it is designed to apply a complete setup rather than simply add one extra indicator. For traders who use the same process across several markets, this keeps the chart structure consistent. Templates can also be used with drawing tools. If the same trendline, label, arrow, or zone style is used often, that appearance can be saved and reused. This helps keep chart annotations cleaner and more consistent when marking support, resistance, trends, or key areas. It is also worth separating templates from chart layouts. A template usually saves a specific indicator setup or drawing style. A chart layout is broader and can include the overall workspace, symbols, drawings, indicators, and chart arrangement. In practice, templates help repeat specific tools while layouts preserve the wider chart environment. In summary, templates help make TradingView more efficient and consistent. Indicator templates save technical setups, drawing templates save visual styles, and chart layouts preserve the broader workspace. Used properly, they reduce repetition and help keep the analysis process more structured.